Getting started with BizBaz World is simple. Just click here, and you're ready to explore the new interface. Most people are working hard and still stuck. You don't need more effort. You need a smarter system.
Welcome to BizBaz World, where we use AI to build income.
Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into a guide all about apps that can actually put money in your pocket in 2026. Forget all the scams and the time wasters. We're going to focus on the real deal, the legitimate side hustles you can run right from your phone. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so let's just start with the biggest question of all. Can that device you're probably holding in your hand right now really be a source of income? And I don't mean just a little pocket change, but a real, actual side hustle. Well, the answer is a huge yes. But which app is right for you really depends on what you're looking for. So we're going to kick things off with the most ambitious path. This one's for all you entrepreneurs, you artists, you creators out there. This isn't about making a few extra bucks here and there. This is about building a brand, a real business from the ground up. This whole category is about taking your ideas, your amazing designs, your photos, your unique products, and turning them into an actual revenue stream. It's about selling what you create, not just what you do. First up, we've got an amazing tool called Printify. The whole concept is called print on demand, which basically means you only pay for a product after a customer has already bought it from you. You come up with cool designs for stuff like t-shirts or mugs, and Printify handles literally everything else. The printing, the packing, the shipping, you never have to see or touch a single piece of inventory. And getting started is seriously simple. First, you make a free account. Then you use the really easy-to-use editor to put your designs onto whatever products you want. And finally, you just connect it to your online store, like a shop you build on Etsy or Shopify where people can find and buy your stuff. And this chart just shows you why it's so appealing. I mean, look at these numbers. That first bar, $0 to start. The middle one, you can be up and running in just a couple of hours. And that third bar, well, the potential is literally thousands of dollars a month. It's a classic low-risk, high-reward model. And you can sell on marketplaces people already know and love. So if your whole vibe is unique, handmade, or vintage stuff, Etsy is definitely the place for you, where sellers make, on average, over $500 a month. But if you're more into the thrill of the hunt, flipping things you find at thrift stores, then eBay is an absolute powerhouse. Active sellers there can see revenues over $50,000 a year. And for all you content creators out there, the options are just as awesome. On a site like Shutterstock, you can upload your photos and videos and earn royalties every time someone downloads them. We're talking tens of thousands a year, potentially. Or you could go all in on YouTube, build a channel around something you're passionate about, and top creators there can earn well over $45,000 a year. So yeah, that first path is all about building a brand. But what if you'd rather just sell your time and skills? Well, that brings us to our second category. This one is for anyone who just wants to make money directly from their skills and their time. So welcome to the modern gig economy, where you're in charge. This is all about one thing: flexibility. It doesn't matter if you're a writer, a driver, or just really handy around the house. There are platforms out there that let you turn your spare hours into income, completely on your own schedule. So in the freelance world, you've got two giants, Fiverr and Upwork, and they kind of work in opposite ways. On Fiverr, you package your skill into a service called a gig, and clients find you. But on Upwork, you're the one looking through job postings and bidding on projects clients have listed. Both work great. It just depends on if you'd rather be found or do the finding. And of course, you've got the drive and deliver apps, which are perfect for making money right away. Want to make around $19 an hour? Uber's got you covered for driving or delivering with Uber Eats. Want to really max out your delivery earnings? DoorDash drivers can potentially pull in $4,000 a month. Or if you prefer doing hands-on local errands, you can make about $18 an hour on TaskRabbit. All right, on to our third category: effortless extra cash. I love the sound of that. These are the apps that are designed to pay you for things you're already doing, like shopping. This is all about working smarter, not harder. Okay, so here's the difference between the two main cashback apps. Think of Rakuten as the automatic one. It's a browser extension that just finds and applies cashback for you when you shop online. Ibotta is a little more hands-on. You add offers in the app before you go to a physical store, and then you just scan your receipt when you're done. Super easy. But here is the ultimate pro tip, straight from the source. You don't have to choose. In fact, you shouldn't. You can, and really should, use both of them together. Use Ibotta for your grocery runs and let Rakuten handle all your online shopping. It's a simple way to get money back on pretty much everything you buy. Then, you've got these micro-earning apps like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. The process is really simple. Sign up, and then in your spare time, you do little tasks like surveys or watching videos. Now, let's be clear, this is not going to make you rich, but can it get you an extra $20 a month or maybe even up to $5 a day for very little effort? Absolutely. And that brings us to our final category, the holy grail, truly passive income. This is for everyone who loves the idea of making money with pretty much zero ongoing effort once you get it set up. So let's talk about an app called Honeygain. It has a really fascinating idea behind it. You just install the app, and it pays you to share your extra unused internet bandwidth with its network. It is the very definition of set it and forget it. And this timeline here does a great job of setting expectations. It takes maybe 10 minutes to set it up, then you just let it run. After about 5 months of it just running passively in the background, you can expect your first $20 payout. So no, it's not fast money, it's effortless money. Okay, wow, we have covered a lot of ground, from building a business to making money while you sleep. So let's talk about how you actually turn all this info into action. The advice here is so simple but so powerful. Don't try to do everything at once. Just pick one app, the one that sounds best for your life and your goals. Then commit to setting it up this week. It almost never takes more than an hour or two. And only after you get that one working consistently should you even think about adding another one. And just one last very important reminder. This world changes fast, so always double-check an app's latest terms and conditions before you sign up. The earnings we talked about are all estimates, and of course, your own results can and probably will vary. So there you have it, the entrepreneur, the gig worker, the smart shopper, the passive earner. You've seen all the paths laid out. The only real question left is, what's your first move going to be?
Follow BizBaz World for daily income strategies. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. And check the link below for free tools and resources.